Sawal for students. My name is Arwa and my channel name is Arwa and Physics. This is a NEET exam question which says a body is moved from rest, body start from rest along a straight line. It moves in a straight line by a machine delivering constant power. Look, power is constant and a body starts from rest, okay, with a constant power. Time taken by body to travel a distance s, and let's say some time is taken by a body to travel a distance s, then the time taken by a body travel a distance s is proportional to what? It means this displacement is proportional to what? The options are 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 1 by 2 or 1 by 4. So let's do the question. Students, I have uploaded many questions on various topic of physics. So if you subscribe my channel, you will get many videos and many more numericals of competitive exams, CBSE board exam, IB board, and so many things. So let's do it together, this question. So the question says power is constant and we want to find the relation of displacement. That is displacement is proportional to what? Okay, no problem. So students, look carefully. We have P is equals to constant and we know that power is equals to energy upon time. Since a body is moving with a constant under the action of a constant power, body is moved from rest along a straight line. Since body is moving, so can I write that energy can be equals to half of mv square, since a body is moving with some velocity, okay, and mass is m. Let's say body has a mass m and time is t. Can I write P into T is equals to half of mv square? Correct? I just multiplied T into P. So P upon T, can I take 2 here and m over here to get v square? And can I write it like this? That is 2pt upon m is equals to v. Students, carefully note down that 2pm, can I write 2pt upon m is equals to, since displacement, velocity is what? Displacement upon time, ds by dt, rate of change of displacement is velocity. So can I write ds by dt or under root of 2pt upon m into dt is equals to ds? Can I write it like this? Yes. Now students, look carefully. 2 is constant. They in the question they have sent body is a body is moving along rest by constant power. Power is also constant. So under root of 2pm, this is whole constant. This is constant. Okay, only under, can I write under root 2 separately? Okay, and let's say it is ds. This is constant, so let's say it is equals to k. I write down it k, no issues. Okay, I write down 2p by m under root is equals to k. So my equation is k under root t is equals to ds. Correct? K under root t equals to ds. Now students, ds is equals to k under root t or under root t into dt. I forgot to write dt over here. I'm so sorry for that, because we have ds upon dt, dt multiply over here, so I have to just add on dt here also. Okay, dt. So dt, okay, fine. I have to just do the integration. I want since displacement, let's say integration of ds is s, k is constant, so let's take it out. It is t is equals to 1 by 2 dt. So k is equals to t 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1. That is k t 2 ones are 2, that is 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2, or k 2 by 3 t 3 by 2. So what? S is proportional to what? They have said S is proportional to the correct answer is this is all constant, this is constant, so S is proportional to T 3 by 2. Correct? Or S, if you multiply both side by 2 by 3 into 2 by 3, so I think it will be cancelled out. So 2 by 3 is proportional to T, so it means 2 by 3 is the correct answer. So S is 2 by 3, so second option is correct. Okay, this is for displacement video. Thank you so much for watching. Khuda Hafiz.